Space on the ball looks more confident.
Hello guys,
The space on the ball.
guys, subscribe பண்ணிருக்காருங்க guys.
Tremendous hit this. That's a crowd catcher. That's a six.
Hello guys.
This has been an impressive performance. They got just about everything right today. A well-deserved win. This will go down as one of the best wins after the tournament. Absolutely everything in them. This is their moment and they deserve every bit of it.
முதல் கப் guys.